if you're new, my name is Stephanie. I am a third year, 7th and 8th grade ELA special education teacher here in Georgia. Today, I'm just gonna take you on a day in my life. It is Thursday, May 13th. Yeah, May 13th. I just got here, turned on all my lights as you just saw. I need to straighten up my papers from yesterday because I was absent, so well, actually the kids were testing. They took their ELA milestone yesterday, or I think it was section 2 of the ELA milestone. And when they came to me, I had left them some, I think it was like figurative language, color by number. It was figurative language, parts of speech. They got to pick which one they wanted to do. And then I also had, I want to say it was an integers color by number, just something easy for my coworker when she came in here. And, you know, they had been testing all morning, so I didn't really, and we can't really teach anything in the subject that they're testing in, so I thought that would be fine. So I'm just gonna straighten up my class and set up my computer and get ready for our enrichment period. They do have to take one more ELA milestone, but they're taking it tomorrow on Friday. So today is just a regularly scheduled program. So I am going to straighten up and then I'll check back in with you guys maybe during lunch. I don't know, but finished straightening up. I do have to disinfect the desk still. Don't know why I just didn't do that before I came back and sat down, but it's whatever. So I need to check my emails from yesterday, and I have to eat my breakfast from Chick-fil-A, my favorite place in the world, and get ready for class. So I took most of my decorations down just as an update for testing, and then just because we have 15 days left of school and I don't want to wait till the last minute because I am having to do this by myself. Last year I did have help from my sister and my mom, but they can't come in the building, so yeah, I've just been taking a lot down. Like my board is completely empty. The stuff that was by the door, I had a spring into 8th and 9th grade sign. I still have, I took my thing down. I still have my name up there. I had a parts of speech, where's my finger? Over there by the door. My anchor charts from over there are gone as well. So I just have to, let me clean my desk. And then I think, because I have a student that comes and eats breakfast with me, so I have to clean the desk before she gets in here, so. Hey guys, so I am in lunch right now and I wanted to hop on here because I don't have any kids right now and update you guys. So if you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw this in my stories, but I'll just update my YouTube fam. So I've been doing a lot of interviews. I am trying to go down to elementary, still special ed, but I want to go down to the elementary level. And I've been doing a lot of interviews. I've had like 3 interviews at this point. I've gone to 2 career fairs. I have 2 more interviews coming up. I have one tomorrow and another one on Saturday for special ed positions at an elementary school or at elementary schools. So right now, well, one of them is asking me to do a 5-minute mini lesson in reading or math. It doesn't she said it didn't matter the grade. So I'm just looking up, I think I'm gonna do, I said I wanted to do math, but now I feel like I want to do reading and do the Somebody Want It But So Then summary strategy. So I'm looking up some stuff that I could possibly use. My coworker suggested that I use Nearpod, and she said that she would work with me to like pick out a lesson, but until then I want to find something or look up some stuff myself. So that's what I'm doing right now. And yeah, we haven't really done anything today, honestly. We have been watching movies. They did Color by Number, which I showed. They finished what they did yesterday, which I showed you already. Then I also did crossword puzzle, and the subject was all about reading. It was this to do while they were watching the movie. So yeah, today's been really chill. I think I'm going to sanitize my desk again, and then probably put some more, pack up a little bit more stuff. I have some books in this cabinet behind, next to me that I need to put in one of my totes. So yeah, we have 15 days of school up, y'all, and they cannot go by fast enough. I'm ready for the summer. I'm over this year completely. Like, if I've never been over anything, it was this school year, because 1, we didn't start until September. 2, we was going from in-person to virtual, back to in-person. Attendance has been absolutely terrible. Consistency has been terrible. Behaviors have been terrible. Like, I'm in my 3rd year of teaching, but I feel like I've been teaching for 20 years and I'm tired. Like, I'm tired. And I know that, you know, everyone is experiencing similar situations, but my experience is my own, and we can't do this no more. Like, we need to get this together. Next year has to be better than this year. Like, it has to be, because I cannot. It's a no for me every day. So, but I also feel like for my caseload, like, I have done them such a disservice this year as far as progress monitoring, because I have in-person kids and virtual kids on my caseload, but I am an in-person teacher, so I follow the in-person schedule, but yet my virtual kids follow the virtual schedule, and none of it ever lines up together. So a lot of the progress monitoring has been like on their own, and I feel like that's not what I'm supposed to do. Like, that's not the kind of teacher that I am, and I really hated that about this year, but I really couldn't do anything about it. We never got on the same schedule, and that was that. So I don't know, I'm just ready for a change. I'm ready for something new. I'm ready for a fresh start. So I'm doing all these interviews. Your girl is booked, and I'm ready for a change. So let me get off my soapbox. Yeah, so I'm gonna pack up a few things right now. So yeah, I'll check back in with you guys probably at the end of the day. Hey guys, so it is the end of the day. I am in my planning. I got another tote finished right here. So this this cabinet right here next to me is empty of everything that belongs to me. I just put the school's books and stuff in there at the top so that I know where it is. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I talked to a few of my coworkers. We were just talking about this school year, kind of what I talked about earlier during lunch, and how we have 3 more weeks left of school. After testing, the kids' mindset is it's over, like the school year is over. So yeah, that's gonna be a really big power struggle, other than the power struggle that we've pretty much had all year. and getting them to not be all over the place. And you know, like our 7th grade team wasn't the strongest this year, and it really has taken a toll on everyone, and you can tell it. It's crazy because in my classroom, for my resource students, they're fine. And for the first time, I feel like the special ed students are the calmer ones, which, you know, kind of goes against what most people think. But our kids aren't the ones that are walking in and out of the classroom or being somewhere where they're not supposed to be, or talking back and, you know, just doing everything but dying. Like, our kids aren't doing that. It's crazy. It's crazy. So yeah, I just know I need to move on to something different, and that's what I plan on doing. Like I told you guys, I've been job searching, interviewing, doing all that fun stuff. So yeah, I'm going to see if I can get some more stuff cleaned. The closet that is over there in the corner is pretty much packed. I did that last week. So I don't know, I'm just, this 15 days can't go by it needs to fly. I need to blink. I need to be able to blink, and I'm on vacation pretty much. So yeah, I'm going to straighten out. I got to disinfect those desks again. That's also what I can't wait for next year. Hopefully we ain't gotta disinfect like this. I mean, I clean my desk naturally anyway, but this, every time somebody touches the desk, you gotta, like, that's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. I feel like we've killed more trees this year with the having to spray and then clean it with the paper towels. Like, dang. But yeah, so I'm going to try and clean out some more things. Depending on if I want to take down my posters above my whiteboard and active board. Just because I don't want my room to look ugly. You know, like, I need some type of color in here, and I know I'm not going to do my bulletin board until probably the last week of school for that reason. And then I know I'm not going to do my bookcase until the last week of school, because like I said, my 8th graders actually like to read. Surprise, surprise. So yeah, I am going to do that. I think I'm going to go ahead and take them down though. Yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'll insert that clip. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and close out the vlog. I hope this was not boring. But thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I would love for you to join our family, and welcome to all our new subscribers. Be sure to follow me over on Instagram at _everydayeducator, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.